my channel. I'm coming to you a little different because I have my face on and I have the fan on right now because I have this turtleneck on and it's freaking hot in my house. I want to know if I'm too close. Like, or does this need to go up higher? Or am I good? I don't know. Like, am I good? Basically, I just did this I'm cold winter video for my TikTok and my Instagram. So if you're not following me over there, please go check it out. My name is Jessikasartistry on every platform. Actually on my Instagram is Jessikasartistry Makeup Studio. So yeah, you'll see it down below in the description. So let's see. I'm trying to figure out like how can we turn this look into, I know it's winter and we're definitely going to get into the winter looks, but let's just throw my last fall look in there just to do it. We're going to actually turn this into a date night look, and this will be my last video for my fall looks, and then we're going to get right into the winter looks. And I'm also going to do 12 days of Slay, so look out for those videos because you're going to want to stay tuned in. The looks are gonna give, like, we're gonna do like crazy looks with those, so I can show you guys my talent. But anyway, so let's turn this look into a date night look. So let me pin this hair back. Right now I have light eyeshadow on with a little shimmer inside the inner crease, and I have this very like reddish blush on and over the nose. That's fine, we can keep that, but I'm just gonna take off the lip gloss. This freaking shirt is making me look like I have a double chin. Like, I hate it. So you're gonna take the lip gloss off because that lip gloss gives daytime all the time to me, depending on the color. And now for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with my Patrick Ta palette, and this is the palette that I use just to put the brown in the crease. I'm gonna go in with this brown shade right here, and I'm going to start to darken up the crease a little. And you can apply these tips that I'm giving you to any look that you have. Say you got your makeup done and you kind of want to jazz it up a little bit at night. You can definitely use these same tips. So I'm like kind of dragging it into the shimmer a little because I kind of don't want so much on there anymore. After I do this part, I'm going to deepen it up a little bit more. So now I'm going to use a different brush. This brush I just used was Morphe with the Jaclyn Hill collab, but I have no number on it right now. I'm going to use a Morphe M456. I'm going to take this color right here, this darker brown, and I'm probably going to take that other brown in the corner. Let's see. So now this I'm putting at my outer V. So right here, right at the bottom where the lash is and on top of that liner, and then I'm going to drag it in to my crease, but I'm only going to go to the middle. So again, I'm putting it right at the bottom of the lash line where the liner is, and then into my crease, but only in the middle, only to the middle. So that creates like the V shape. And I'm gonna just keep building that color there until I get it how I want it. And I'll probably stop right there because I'm going to just use a darker color on top of that. Again, lash line, middle. And again, like I said, you could turn any look like this if you did something like simple on the eyes. Even if you didn't, if your eye was like really dramatic, you can use these same tips. So now that I got that color on, I'm gonna wipe off the same brush and go in with this deeper, well, this cooler brown right here. And the cooler brown is going to make it more like deeper. So in the same area. And then right in the inside. But you want to be like careful with this color because it can turn the look into something else. A little more. Yeah, just like that. So now that we have those two colors down, then you want to decide if you want eyeshadow on your lids, what kind of eyeshadow you want. And I could really just put a basic brown on there. I could do a gold. Sometimes when I don't know what look I want to do, I'm like, what will the girlies do right now? Because the girlies really stick to one look. And I'm going to show you what look they stick to. The girlies really just put the nude up in the crease and call it a day. And you know what? Let's do it. I'm going to take some concealer just to clean up my lids a little bit. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand so I can have control. I'm going to take a small brush. Now I'm just going to put this right where the lighter part is on my eye. Like where we didn't put any of that brown. So it's a pocket really that I'm creating. So like the inner corner of the eye to the middle. So basically, like I said, where we didn't put the brown in, I'm gonna just do that. Do it on both sides. And for concealer, you just want to use, if you're going to do concealer, you can use a eyeshadow base if you have it in a lighter color, but I didn't feel like reaching for mine. So basically like that. I'm gonna have to fix this side a little bit because I went over the liner, but that's fine. After you do that part, you want to set that in place with a loose powder. So I'm gonna use my One Size of Sweet Honey. Go right on top of that. Now I'm gonna fix the liner at the bottom. Probably take a smaller brush. This is a Morphe 506. And I'm gonna take both of those browns that we had before. So this brown up here and then the one down there. And I'm just gonna fix this bottom liner part. Feel better like that. So now we're gonna take a creamy color like this from this Juvia's palette. This is the Warrior palette. Yeah, this is the Warrior palette. I'm gonna take this color right here. So you want to take any kind of creamy colored beige that you have, and you're just gonna pack that right in that pocket. I'm gonna pack it right in the area that we just made. And now I'm gonna just blend out the top. I'm gonna leave everything else the same for the top. I might just go over the liner just to make it a little deeper, darker, so that the liner doesn't get lost in this transaction. Should I do black? I've been loving the brown liner lately, so I'm just gonna leave it brown. But if you would like, you can make this color black. So now we're gonna move on to, I'm sweating, I'm sorry, it's this turtleneck, like it's getting really ridiculous in here. I'm gonna have to take it off. So for the inner eye, for the wet line, we're gonna do a brown liner. You can take black if you want it to be that sexy sultry look, but like I said, I'm loving how brown is looking. Now I'm gonna take this pencil brush, and this is from Morphe. This is the 431. And I'm gonna take that darker brown that we had, this one at the bottom. I'm also gonna take that one right here, the reddish one, that second. So I'm gonna take that darker brown, and I'm just gonna do the bottom of my eyes. My eyes are leaking over there, so I'm trying to be sensitive. Use this one I told you didn't know about, and use that reddish brown to smoke out the under eye. And this is literally my favorite part of doing makeup. And I feel like it's not dark enough under. I'm gonna take the pencil brush again. I'm gonna go in with the dark brown, and I'm gonna probably mix it with some black. Yeah. I felt like the shimmer in the inner corners is cute, so I'm going to leave it. I'm going to add a little more, and this is the Moon Dust by Urban Decay in the color Space Cowboy. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in the shade 4. Do the same to my nose, but with Fit Tea. I'm going to try to change up the tone of the blush, and I'm going to go in with this blush from Marina Beauty, and this is called sweet brown. I'm just gonna put that on the apples of my cheeks. All right, so while this is baking, I'm gonna think about the lip. Yeah, be right back. Just spray. For lips, we're doing, what is this? Souffle, I believe. Yeah, Souffle from Remedy by Ari. And for lipstick, we're gonna take Kingster by MAC. Yeah, it goes with the eyes, but it doesn't go with the lips, and I want to tie the lips, the cheeks in. So we're not gonna do that. We're gonna do Velvet Teddy by MAC. I'm gonna use a gloss. This is Fenty Balm Glow Heat. Yeah. And that is it. And that is how you change a day look into a night look. And now you're ready to go out on your date with a few simple products, nothing that crazy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and be sure to comment below. I don't bite, nobody comments on my videos yet, but I would love to hear back from you guys. And yeah, let me know if you would try this look out. Let me know if you think that I did a fucked up job. Just let me know. Like, yeah, I would love to hear from you. Anyway, like I said before, we're gonna be doing 12 days of slay. So I'm gonna be giving you 12 winter looks. And yeah, we're just gonna have fun with it. Nothing too serious. We're just gonna have fun playing in makeup, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, check out my tutorial on the cold winter makeup look. It's gonna be on my TikTok, right? Yeah, it should be on my TikTok today, maybe my Instagram tomorrow. And yeah, actually, if I'm posting this on Monday, then it's already up. So check it out. My baby's crying. Later.